Welcome. Let us learn the fascinating concept of opening gap trading on indexes such as Nifty and Bank Nifty. This is the last 5-minute candle for the previous trading session. This is the opening 5-minute candle for the new trading session. The price gap between the two candles is known as the opening gap. This is a price range where no shares change hands. Let's recap. Opening candle for a new session should be outside the entire range of the last candle for the previous day. A significant price gap should exist. The larger the gap, the better. Such a gap can occur both in the upwards and downwards direction. The first step is to define a range. Pick the first 3 5-minute candles for the new trading session. Create a line through the highest point of the 3 candles. Then create another line through the lowest point of the candles. This gives us our range. Let's learn how to trade in the direction of the gap. This is when price continues to move in the direction of the gap after it has happened. First, create a horizontal line through the highest point of the first 3 candles and another through the lowest point. We now wait for a closing above the upper line, which happens at candle C. We can now take a long trade at the next candle marked D. The proper stop order for the trade should be below the lower horizontal line. This is a level enough away from the buying point to not get triggered due to sudden volatility. If you find this level too far away and fear a loss beyond your comfort level in case the stop order gets hit, you can place a stop order in the middle of the range. The target for such a trade is open. You have to determine the target based on resistance levels, trend lines, or any indicator you employ. Now let us learn how to trade when price moves against the direction of the gap. As always, create 2 horizontal lines through the highest and the lowest points of the first 3 5-minute candles. Candle C depicts a closing below the lower line. This indicates price is moving against the direction of the gap. As candle D is forming, we take a short trade. The appropriate stop order for such a trade is slightly above the upper horizontal line. This level prevents you getting whipsawed, which is a phenomenon where price keeps hitting a close stop order. Again, if you find this level too far away for your comfort, you can place a stop order right in the middle of the range. The target for such a trade is the high of the previous day's closing candle. Basically, we expect the index to fill the gap. Large upward gaps are usually filled in index futures. Keeping this in mind will help you trade when such a gap occurs. Downward opening gaps on indexes may not get filled soon. Gaps on stocks do not necessarily get filled. Some gaps don't get filled at all. And some might get filled after years, even decades. It is a sign of weakness for the trend of the stock if a gap gets filled. If, in the opening 30 minutes of a trading session, a gap is not filled, the chances of price moving in the direction of the gap increase. Do subscribe to our channel for many more such gems of knowledge. Your support will keep us going. Thank you.